All right, y'all see it right here, Foot Locker, bag secured.
Yep.
This is gonna be the Ja 4. Hold on, let me take them out the bag. And this is highly anticipated. Let me see it. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about it. All right, y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that hype button, do all those great things. If y'all new to the channel, what's up, what it do, what's popping? Hey, let's get right up into it. This is a Ja 4, size 13, dropped today, Obsidian, multicolor, black. Got my dog, Kilo. You know what I'm saying? Boxes, what is that, a skull?
It's a skull, bro.
Skull, Ja logo, you know what I'm saying? Cool, pretty cool box, you feel me? Open it up, this paper, regular paper, anyway.
Hey, hold on, Foot Locker, I got beef with y'all.
Why you got beef with Foot Locker?
Every time I go to Foot Locker on a release day, y'all give me a janky box. Stop doing this.
Hey,
Stop doing this, bro.
Shout out Foot Locker for giving us the minute sneaker edition box. Let me see what we got here. All right, Ja foes. What you think, man?
I like the fit of them.
Hey,
I
yo.
like the aesthetic too. Like especially when you put these on, this looks clean on feet.
True to size?
True to size.
All right, true to size in these.
I don't like this material though. This material right here, I don't like that.
Yeah, I mean they look clean, bruh. They look clean. I ain't even gonna lie. They don't look as narrow as the Ja 3s. I can see the colorways being very, very dope in these. You got the number 2 right there. You got the 1. Okay. Yeah, these fire. These ain't bad, man. What y'all think, bruh? Said they way different than the 3s?
Different than the 3s. The fit, how they feel on feet, the sizing, everything's different from the
bottom.
3s. They fit more like the 2s. If you guys have played in Ja 2s before, that's what they really feel like.
Yeah, these fire though. I can see, man. I just feel like the colorway is gonna be, man. They can go stupid with these colorways, boy. Man, yeah. What y'all think? What y'all think, bruh? Ja 4, man. Hey, these better than the Caitlin Clarks.
Stop the cap.
Well, I ain't seen the Caitlin Clarks in person. I can't say that, but these are fire, man. I do like these. How much is retail?
It was $129.99.
You can't beat that. $129 for a sneaker, bruh.
Yeah, I think after tax it comes out to like $139.75.
Now the question is, wearing these lifestyle, can these be worn lifestyle better than the Ja 3s, you think?
We gonna put that to the test, man. I'm not gonna lie.
That'll be a dope video concept, though.
Because think about it, like I think these are more for basketball. In my opinion, they fit great. They feel great on feet. I feel like a lot of people have issues with the 3s as far as like being more of a basketball shoe. It was more like of a lifestyle shoe for a lot of people.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be the true basketball shoe for Ja. And it's gonna elevate it, man. It's better than the 2s. It looks good on feet. It looks good in general.
Yeah, these fire, bro.
I feel like people gonna be able to wear them lifestyle, you know.
Yeah, I don't know if these gonna sell better than the 3s, but these are clean though, man. These are clean.
I think everybody got they put their money into the 3s for real.
Yeah. So the 3s still, we're gonna say are the best ones out of all of them. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all thoughts and opinions. We got the Ja 4. I think these are the Nightmare.
Yeah.
Something like that, man. Let me know if y'all pick these up. Sizes are still available on the sneakers app, as you can see on the screen. But yeah, $129, that ain't bad. $130 for a hooping sneaker. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.